In this video, I've got a really lovely, really elegant kind of gin-based lychee and lemon martini. Welcome back, Drinkstuff fans. In this video, I am rocking out Monin's lychee kind of syrup for this. I can't wait. People will have obviously noted now in the last sort of few weeks, where are we, 4 or 5 weeks maybe? I've started to film back to front, so I make the cocktail. I actually film making a cocktail before I film this bit. So I haven't actually tried this bit yet because I like doing it this way. I like kind of describing the cocktail. So I haven't tried this yet. That is proper sophisticated, elegant. Oh my God. The lychee notes come through there. The lemon notes that come through there, you'll see the ingredients, but there is kind of that tropical fruit, and you'll know exactly where that comes from when I'll tell you in a second. That is proper nice, exceptionally well balanced. Not too sweet. The sweetness of that is perfectly balanced with the citrus from the lemon. I really like that. There is obviously alternatives that you can use instead of Monin's lychee, which I'll talk you through in a second. But yeah, absolutely stunning. If you, quick question for you in the comments below, lychee cocktails, the only other big famous one is the Lychee Martini. Which, you know, there's no set recipe for that really. Some people make it with gin, some people make it with vodka. What's kind of your go-to lychee cocktail? Comment below. Right, let's just very quickly run you through the ingredients. Obviously, I've got some of Monin's lychee syrup here, so I'm going to use that. Alternatives, a tin of lychees. Most supermarkets will sell a tin of lychees. You can use the syrup from there. You can even blend the lychees up to make lychee puree, to be fair, but the syrup from that will obviously be pungent in kind of lychee juice. So kind of you've got that. I've also got, you won't see it tucked away in the corner there, I've got Lychee Liqueur as well, Kwai Feh. So you could put that. The other one brand is Soho. So we've got that. Gin-wise, it's obviously a gin-based cocktail. I've got for Bullards, kind of localish to us, kind of East Anglia, Norwich way. I've gone for their Old Tom gin. Now, Old Tom, just very quickly, it's kind of the bridge between London Dry and Dutch Genever gin. Dutch Genever gin is a lot sweeter than London Dry gin. London Dry is bone dry, obviously, it kind of punches forward in juniper. Old Tom is kind of created for that bridge. Don't think of it as a sweet gin. It's not a sweet gin. It's just a London Dry, and it's kind of got a little bit too much sugar in it to be London Dry gin. And this one, I love it. I really love it. For me, there is no other Old Tom gins in this class, because the actual sweetener in there is kind of mango. Love it. It's not a mango flavoured gin, but it's really good. So I've got that, some limoncello and some lemon juice. Really simple 4-ingredient cocktail. So cocktail shaker. First ingredient, I'm going to go for this London Dry. I'm going for 45 ml, 1.5 ounces of that. Feel free to make it with a London Dry gin as well. It's just, if you're a gin fan, you know, you're going to love it. That simple. I'm going for, now, for limoncello wise, normally I'll go 15, but I'm actually going 22.5 ml, so 3/4 of an ounce in there. And obviously, if you're UK, 50 ml of gin, 25 ml of limoncello. Easy peasy. So we've got that. I'm going for some lemon juice, 15 ml of lemon juice, half an ounce. There we go. And then just my final ingredients is that, obviously, that little bit of sweetness. Lay all the right way around. I get a bit of OCD about that. There we go. How's that? Right. And then final ingredients, obviously, unopened. Oh, that's really good. Oh, I like that. 15 ml. Now you could add a little bit more sugar, half an ounce, if you wanted to. But it's completely up to you. That will carry through. Definitely carry through. Right. Ice this bad boy up, and then we are going to give it a good old shake down. As always, how many seconds? 10, 12 seconds. Good old hard fast shake. Right. There we go. Oh, that smells so good. Smells absolutely delightful. Right, glass-wise, just been chilling down off camera. I've got just a lovely kind of Nick and Nora glass there. Lovely chilled down. Perfect. And obviously, I'm going to double strain this because we don't want something that elegant. We don't want any little tiny shards of ice in it. So double strain. Oh, magicals. perfect. I just love the Nicanora glasses. They're so cool. They don't look like much, and people are put off by the volume of them, but I just love them. And then I'm just going to dive in for a taste. But then, garnish-wise, little raspberry kebab. Popping up on screen right there will be even more Monin syrup inspiration, so go and dive into one of those videos, get inspired. And as always, if you like me, if you like the video, big old thumbs up, give us a thumbs up. And if you don't want to miss any of our future content, make sure you subscribe to the channel.